Welcome everyone. The topic of today's video is stories of swing. Swing as in the game of cricket. This will be a two-part video. This is the first part that covers the story of traditional swing. So let us begin by explaining what is swing. Swing is the lateral movement of the cricket ball in air before or after pitching, and hence it is independent of the surface and it actually depends on the weather conditions, meaning how cloudy the day is or how humid the air is, etc. In general, there are two kinds of swing. Let's take a cricket pitch, for example. Say the bowler is coming from the far end, the in swinger comes in towards the stumps and the out swinger goes away from the stumps. That's it. Now let's see what makes the ball to move in such a way. Usually two things: the position of the seam and the presence of one shiny side and one rough side. So take a cricket ball, for example, which has been used for quite a few overs. It will look something like this. So it will have one shiny side and one rough side, and the cricketers do take extreme care to keep the ball in such a way for as long as possible, because they need to extract the swing for most part of the day. So that's how a cricket ball looks like in a cricket match. And as we are talking about traditional swing, in traditional swing the seam should point towards inside or outside for in swing or out swing respectively, and the shiny side should point in the opposite direction. So for example, if you want to bowl an in swing, the seam should point towards the wickets and the shiny side should be in the opposite direction, away from the stumps. And for the out swinger is vice versa. Now let's see why so. So for example, take a cricket ball which is traveling in the direction as indicated by the arrow. The seam is pointing outward, the shiny side is inside, so you can guess this will be an outswinger. The ball will move away from the stumps. Now what happens when air hits the shiny side? It creates something called a laminar flow. It is smooth, and by its property it leaves the surface very early. On the other hand, the air that hits the seam, the air that starts as a laminar flow but moves in the opposite direction and hits the seam, turns it into a turbulent flow, and this turbulent flow sticks to the surface much longer, and this is the reason the resultant trail of air creates a force on the ball in that direction, which is shown by the second arrow in the picture. So as a result, this outgoing trail of air makes the ball swing towards the direction of the seam, and hence an outswinger. So I guess you get it right. So high five. If you like our videos, like, share, or subscribe, and keep watching our channel for more videos. We'll come back with some more. Bye.